Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to fix any app if it is not working. Click on settings, then click on apps, choose whatever your app is working. I select Chrome. There is lot of options here. Then click on data usage and you can just enable background data by doing clear cache option. On storage usage, you can simply clear cache and clear data. There are a lot of options: manage, clear or data, free up space. It will be freed all your space occupied by the Google. Clear unwanted items in your Google or any other app. Or you can just force stop if it is not working. Thank you.